IGBO AREA TV on the Igbo.
Hello, welcome to my channel as usual. Please, before we go further, hit the subscribe button, share the video. We are raising real issues affecting ordinary people, Igbo people. And this is IGBO AREA TV, your voice for truth and justice. Recently, the Anambra state government gave an order that has shocked many people. Governor Soludo is now telling residents to repaint their houses, especially buildings with old paint, faded walls, or dirty compounds. The directive is backed by the new environmental law of Anambra State 2024, and enforcement is to start by July 1st, 2025. They say it is to make Anambra look cleaner, greener, and smarter. But the big question is, at what costs? Can people paint when they cannot even eat? Let's face the truth and reality. Nigeria is in a very bad economic condition right now. Prices of food have gone up. Transport is expensive. School fees, rent, hospital bills, everything is hard. People are suffering. People are suffering. Now, the same government that is yet to give proper palliatives or reduce hardship at least is asking us to go and buy paint. You know the cost of buying paint? A bucket of paint now costs between 6,000 and 15,000 naira. And that's not even including the labor, the scaffolding or brushes. Many landlords don't even collect full rent from tenants anymore because everyone is broke. We're in Tinubu's government. So how do they repaint? How will they repaint this and with what? This particular directive mainly affects places like Onitsha, Oka, Nnewi, Mpo, and Ekulobia. These are areas full of traders. You also get poor tenants, retired civil servants, and struggling families. Some of them are living in one-room apartment with leaking roofs and broken toilets. Should they now focus on painting the walls of their houses when their roofs are still leaking water, especially now that we are in rainy season? Well, let me tell you, okay, it sounds good. Oh, Anambra will be shiny, cool. It sounds good to beautify Anambra. But what about the timing? People are not saying repainting is bad, though, but forcing people to repent during a hunger period is wrong. You can't use the law to cover poverty. You can't punish people for being poor. It now sounds like the government wants to make Anambra look fine on the outside, but inside, the people are hungry. They are suffering. You know, it's like putting makeup on a sick person instead of taking them to the hospital. Just like ladies using their paint. What do they call it? Pancake to cover their face. Meanwhile, there are bumps. You know, there are better ways this policy could have worked. The state could have partnered with local paint companies to give discounts so that they discount their paint to poor homeowners. The government can even give some paints free. This could have, it will help them. And the government could also start by the government painting the schools, painting where they want people to paint. giving old people's home for free. They could have started with public buildings first, like local government offices and schools, to lead by example. Even a small paint subsidy or community painting day could have changed the whole story. When you speak to some people in the market, you hear all sorts of stories. People are saying things like, "My house needs painting, but my children have not eaten this morning." Is it paint first or the food that we eat? You had another one who say, "I'm a tenant. The landlord lives abroad. Should I repaint the house by myself?" If it is convenient, yes, you can repaint. So government should fix roads, water be first, before telling us to paint walls. People are not against progress. They just want compassionate leadership. If the government starts to penalize or demolish houses over paint, it can cause serious problems. It can even result to protests, evictions, more hatred for the government. This is not the time for the government to force people. No. The government should listen to the cries of the people. And now, I want to use this opportunity to talk to our governor, dear Governor Soludo. If this is true, this your painting law, if it is actually true, your vision for a cleaner Anambra is actually good. But I want to tell you that your timing is wrong and the method is harsh. Before you tell people to paint their houses, ask yourself, do they even have paint for their lives? To paint their lives first so that their lives will be correct. Do they have such paint for their own life right now? Now to viewers, do you agree or disagree with this policy? Drop your comments below, share this video widely to every Anambra WhatsApp group. Let the voice of the people be heard. And please don't forget to subscribe to IGBO AREA TV for more fearless commentary and grassroots stories. This video is for public education and commentary purposes. We support law and order, but believe that every policy should carry the people along, especially in hard times. Thank you for watching. This is IGBO AREA TV, and I'm Azuka Oje. Truth, culture, power. Bye-bye for now.